This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Available annually or seasonally. Lovely pool home for rent, furnished or unfurnished. Beautiful whole house renovation 2015, bright open plan. Wall of French doors opens house to .33 acre lot west/desirable south exposure for pool. Fantastic kitchen west/14 island and stainless appliances. Ceilings vault, impact windows, Carrera marble baths, 2017 air conditioner, fresh interior paint, fenced yard. Boats okay. 5 minutes walk to beach and gourmet grocery store. Close to the beach and riverfront. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772